JaDeD Brewing is known for high quality when it comes to wort chillers. Our quality is so good that we have a lifetime guarantee on all of our chillers. However, there's a part of our chiller that won't last your lifetime. That's the rubber gasket. Has this ever happened to you during a brew day, where you hook up your hose, screw it on, turn the water on, and all of a sudden, whoops, we got a leak? That's not cool. It's very possible that that little rubber gasket inside the swivel fitting has degraded over years of use. Whether it's from the cold in the wintertime or the heat in the summertime, all the compression, decompressing, compressing, decompressing over and over after all of your brews, that little rubber washer is going to take a beating. And you may need to replace it. Like everything with immersion chillers, this is very easy. All you have to do is get a pair of pliers, pull out your old rubber washer, get a new flat garden hose rubber washer, just pop it right in, and you'll be leak-free again. It's super simple. Like always, I hope this is a helpful tip to keep you leak-free during your chilling. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you along the way.